Are your vacations a source of stress or genuine refreshment? I used to struggle with vacations for like the first decade of being a family man, and it always really bothered me. But I've learned 3 key secrets to making vacations amazing and have been enjoying the feeling of success in this area ever since. Hope you find these tips helpful and experience more fulfilling vacations than ever before. Tip number 1. Adding extra downtime to the beginning and the end of the vacation is so helpful in giving time to unwind and show up to your vacation ready to enjoy making great memories. For me, I need at least 2 to 3 days before vacation to unwind. My job is intense, I work very hard, and the nature of my work tends to be all-consuming. So I require what I call a pre-vacation vacation and need 2 to 3 days of minimal activity. For example, we just went to Florida for a cruise, like my Florida shirt, and we enjoyed planned downtime at an Airbnb for 3 days before our cruise. Did a little bit of exploring. Then we enjoyed 1 day and a night after the cruise of hanging around the hotel before our flight. We all got home feeling very refreshed and the family is happy. Now, extra downtime before and after your vacation, it does not have to cost much. It can simply be at home, but be sure to schedule it and make it happen. Number 2, boost your well-being through mindful choices. Make room for downtime, incorporate fitness, and opt for healthier eating and drinking options that align with your personal goals. These changes can enhance your vitality and inner peace, no doubt, no matter your preferences. For me, not drinking alcohol and eating well-rounded meals with more nutrition my body craves has been incredible and I feel amazing. Number 3, intentionality is a game changer. 1% can still change things for good. 1 extra hour with the kids, 1 extra yes to your spouse or significant other, 1 extra walk alone, or 1 less drink, 1 less ice cream, 1 less plate of food. Whether it's less or more of something, a little extra intentionality can make a huge difference. And whether you choose to be 1% or 10% better, with consistency, you will see an impressive compound effect. Happier you, happier loved ones, and a happier memory of your vacation. If you've enjoyed these vacation tips and want more, hit that like button, comment with your favorite vacation memory, and share this with someone who needs a stress-free getaway.